Good morning, children. Listen, now 10th chapter, exercise 10.2. First topic, the question is, express each of the following physical statements in the form of differential equations. So, we want to form differential equation. Okay, we want to form differential equation. That is our aim. Okay, there are 4 subdivisions, in which first one, radium decays at a rate means differentiate with respect to time t, okay, at a rate proportional to the amount q present. Listen, here the amount of radium at any time t is given by q, where say given that q is the amount of radium at any time t, given that q is the amount of radium at any time t, and the question is, radium decays at a rate proportional to the amount q present. Okay, rate means we want to differentiate with respect to time t, and q is the amount of radium at any time t. We want to form the differential equation. Okay, to form the differential equation, here listen, the first line is dq by dt. Okay, dq by dt is proportional to q. That's all. dq by dt is proportional to q. Now remove proportional symbol and multiply by some constant k, where k is the constant of proportionality. Now next line is very simple. So dq by dt is proportional to q, then we have dq by dt is equal to k into q. That's all. Hence the answer. Where k is the constant of proportionality. Where k is the constant of proportionality. Constant of proportionality. Okay, hence the answer. So, which is the answer for first subdivision? And which is 2 more question or 1 more question? Okay, first topic is completed. Now come to subdivision 2. Subdivision 2 is, the population P of a city increases at a rate proportional to the product of the population and to the difference between 5 lakhs and the population. Listen, the keyword is, the population capital P of a city increases at a rate. Rate means differentiate with respect to time t. Yes, at a rate proportional to the, yes, proportional to the, that means proportional symbol, okay, proportional to the product of the population, that means P. See, product of the population and to the difference between 5 lakhs and the population. Here, the product of the population and to the difference between 5 lakhs and the population. Okay, which means, so it is meant that, say 5 lakhs, okay, 5 lakhs minus P, and they told product of the population. So into P, very first into P, that is cycle. Okay, so the answer is given by dP by dt. dP by dt is proportional to P into 5 lakhs minus P. That's all. Listen the first line. Solution is very simple. dP by dt, okay, is proportional to, dP by dt is proportional to P into 5 lakhs, okay, 5 lakhs minus P, that's all. Now remove proportional and put equal, and then multiply by some constant k, where k is the constant of proportionality. Okay, now your answer is given by, next step is very simple, dP by dt. Okay, dP by dt is equal to k into P of 5 lakhs minus P, where k is the constant of proportionality, such that k is the constant of proportionality. constant of proportionality. So ends the answer. Children listen. Now, first topic that is subdivision. For a certain substance, the rate, listen, for a certain substance, the rate of change of vapor pressure, capital P, with respect to temperature T is proportional to the vapor pressure and inversely proportional to the square of the temperature. Inversely proportional to the square of the temperature. Okay. Here, again, for a certain substance, the rate of change of vapor pressure, capital P, with respect to temperature T is proportional to the vapor pressure and inversely proportional to the square of the temperature. Okay. So the answer is given by, listen, here already capital P is given. Okay. Now the required differential equation is given by dP by dt is proportional to, dP by dt is proportional to P into, inversely proportional to the square of the temperature. That is, inversely means reciprocal. So that is 1 by T square. So the answer is given by dP by dt is proportional to vapor pressure P into inversely proportional to the temperature. So inversely means reciprocal and a square of the temperature, therefore 1 by T square. Okay. Now this proportional cancel and write equal and multiply some constant which is a constant of proportionality, that is dP by dt is equal to K into, here see here 1 into P is equal to P, so P by T square, one can write P by T square, so K into P by T square, where K is the constant of proportionality, such that K is the constant of proportionality. So ends the answer. Children listen. Now fourth subdivision from first topic. A saving amount pays 8% interest per year. Here 8% interest, therefore rate of interest R is equal to 8%. Next, per year. Per year means, yes, 1 year. That means number of years capital N is equal to 1 year. That is N equal to 1 year. Compounded continuously. Again, a saving amount pays 8% per year, compounded continuously. In addition, the income from another investment is credited to the amount continuously at the rate of rupees 400 per year is the question. Here, a saving amount, listen, let X be the saving amount. That means, let X be the principal. Okay, let X be, listen, step 1, let X be the principal. Let X be the principal. Let X be the amount. Okay, let X be the principal or let X be the amount at any time T. At a time T. Okay. Let X be the principal, otherwise let X be the amount at a time T. Now, say rate of interest R equal to 8% and the number of years N is equal to 1 year. So R is equal to 8% and N is equal to 1 year. Okay, which is additional information. Okay. Now, say as per the information, dx by dt is equal to, say we know that the interest, see that is simple interest formula. Yes, simple interest formula is PNR by 100. So which is equal to PNR by 100. Okay, PNR by 100 plus rupees 400 plus rupees 400. That's all. Now just a substitution, which is equal to, where P is equal to, that is principal. Let P is equal to X. Okay, principal equal to X. N is equal to 1 year. Rate of interest R is equal to 8, that is 8%, therefore 8 by 100. So plus 400, that's all. Whose left hand side is the same dx by dt. Now next step. And the answer may be this stage itself, otherwise one can simplify. Okay, how to simplify? Yes, that is 2 4s are 8 and 25 4s are 100. Therefore, the required answer is dx by dt is equal to 2x by 25. 2x by 25 plus 400. So, which is the required answer. So, which is exercise 10.2, second question, which is page number 152. Assume that a spherical raindrop evaporates at a rate proportional to its surface area. Listen, here evaporates, that means which gets negative. Okay, evaporates or disappears or means which gets negative. That is, we are going to take a minus k. That is one idea. Next, assume that a spherical raindrop evaporates at a rate proportional to its surface area. Okay, here, say proportional to its surface area. Can you tell me surface area formula? Surface area here. Assume that a spherical raindrop. Okay, spherical raindrop means that is a sphere. And can you tell me surface area of the sphere? Anyone? Surface area of the sphere? Yes. Surface area of the sphere, S is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay. Surface area of the sphere, S is equal to 4 pi r square. And say the volume of the sphere is, yes, volume of the sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 phi r cube. Okay, one idea. Say, assume that a spherical raindrop. So, okay, spherical raindrop means we need volume. Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 phi r cube. And the surface area of the sphere S is equal to 4 pi r square. One idea. Okay. Assume that a spherical raindrop evaporates at a rate proportional to its surface area. Form a differential equation. Form a differential equation involving the rate of change of the radius of the raindrop. Okay, rate of change of radius of the raindrop is a question. Okay, here rate means with respect to time t differentiation. First of all, let us write the theory portion. Let small r be the radius of the sphere. Okay, radius of the spherical raindrop. And let V and S be the volume and the surface area of the spherical raindrop or sphere. Okay, now listen, so listen, let V comma S comma R. Let V be the volume of the sphere, S be the surface area of the sphere, R be the radius of the sphere. Let V comma S comma R be the volume comma surface area and the radius respectively. So V comma S comma R be the volume comma surface area comma radius of the sphere respectively. Okay, first line over. Okay, next we need volume of the sphere and the surface area of the sphere. Now listen, that is volume of the sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 phi r cube. Next, surface area of the sphere is equal to, yes, 4 pi r square. Surface area of the sphere S is equal to 4 pi r square. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 phi r cube and the surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, these two ready. Now, as per the information, it is clear that dV by dt is proportional to S. That's all. Say, as per the information, dV by dt is proportional to S. Next, this proportional symbol can remove and write equal in after that multiply by minus k because evaporates. So that is why minus k. That's all. So dV by dt is equal to minus k into S. Okay, children listen. Say already dv by dt is proportional to s, and its next line is remove proportional and write equal. So dv by dt is equal to minus k into s. So that is our second line. That is dv by dt is equal to minus k into s. That's all. Okay. Now just a substitution. What is v? Yes, v is the volume of the sphere. And what is s? S is the surface area of the sphere. Just a substitution. Now listen. Differential of v. Okay, what is v? Yes, v is equal to volume of the sphere. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by dt, which is equal to, yes, minus k into s, where s is equal to 4 pi r square. That's all. Just a substitution. V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube and s equal to 4 pi r square. Okay. Now, say differential, listen. Here 4 by 3 phi constant, and say differentiate in r with respect to t. Okay. Say differential of r cube with respect to t is a question. Now 4 by 3 phi constant, 4 by 3 phi constant. Now r cube differentiation. Okay. So listen, r cube is of the form, yes, x cube. We know that. Can you tell me what is a differential of x cube? Yes, 3x square. So r cube differentiation 3r square and goes inside. See, first power differentiation 3r square. See, because x power n differentiation n into x power n minus 1. X cube differentiation 3x square. Likewise, r cube differentiation 3r square and goes inside. Differential of r with respect to t. Differential of r with respect to t is, yes, dr by dt. So differential of r with respect to t is dr by dt. So into dr by dt. Into dr by dt. Okay. Into dr by dt, which is equal to, yes, up to this correct. Again, 4 by 3 phi constant comes outside, and differential of r cube with respect to t is given by, first r cube differentiation 3r square and goes inside. Differential of r with respect to t is given by dr by dt, which is equal to minus k into 4 pi r square. Okay. Now simplification. Yourself? Yes, very good. 3 cancel. Right, remaining? The remaining is 4 phi r square. Okay, bracket into dr by dt, which is equal to minus k into 4 pi r square. Okay. Now, yes. So there is a further cancellation. See, this 4 pi r square goes to right, divided by 4 pi r square. So for our knowledge, we can cancel 1 time of 4 pi r square and 1 time of 4 pi r square cancel. Okay, right, remaining? Yes, here 1 into dr by dt, okay, which is equal to minus k into 1 equal to minus k. That's all. So dr by dt is equal to minus k, where k is the constant of proportionality. Where k is the constant of proportionality. Constant of proportionality. So, hence the answer. Children, listen. Now, exercise 10.3, which means exercise 10.2 completed. So, exercise 10.2, all the sums myself completed. So, 10.2 exercise completed, which means examples you want to do homework. Okay, any doubt? Ask me, I will tell you. Now, exercise 10.3. Find the differential equation. Find the differential equation of the family of, find the differential equation of the family of all non-vertical lines in the plane. Find the differential equation of the family of all non-vertical lines in the plane. Second subdivision, all non-horizontal lines in a plane is the question. Okay, first take first subdivision, all non-vertical lines in a plane. Listen, all non-vertical lines. Okay, all non-vertical lines in the plane is the topic. All non-vertical lines in the plane is the topic. Okay. Now, see, we know that the family of straight lines, general equation of the straight line. General equation of the straight line means x term, y term, constant equal to 0. Listen, that is general equation of the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, here we need non-vertical line. Listen, vertical line, it is a vertical line. See, it is vertical line which is horizontal line. We need a non-vertical line. Okay, now say for your understanding, I will draw a small diagram. Listen, which is x-axis and it is y-axis, origin 0. Okay, it is a vertical line. Okay, which is a vertical line. Now, listen carefully. When b is equal to 0, when b is equal to 0. Okay, suppose put b equal to 0, what happen? Yes, when b is equal to 0, ax is equal to minus c, that is x is equal to minus c by a. Let minus c by a equal to some constant k. That means when b equal to 0, we get x is equal to k. Okay, so we get x is equal to k. X equal to k is a vertical line. Okay, so the vertical line is the vertical line standard form x equal to k. But we need non-vertical line. Okay, when b equal to 0, we get a vertical line. We get a vertical line. Okay, listen the concept. When b equal to 0, we get a vertical line. But we need a non-vertical line. Okay, but to get a non-vertical line, b is not equal to 0. But we need non-vertical line. But we need non-vertical line. Okay, but we need a non-vertical line. To get a non-vertical line, anyone? Yes. To get a non-vertical line, b is not equal to 0. Therefore, b is not equal to 0. And b is not equal to 0 such that a is any number. That means a belongs to real numbers. A is any number except complex. Okay. Listen, condition for non-vertical lines, that is important. Condition for non-vertical lines, b is not equal to 0 and a belongs to R. A takes any value, but b should be not equal to 0. So that is the technique. Okay. Now, differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Listen carefully. Let it be the first equation. Here, differentiate with respect to x in equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x in equation number 1. Okay, differentiate with respect to x in equation number 1. Why? Because we are differentiating particularly with respect to x. Because here condition for non-vertical lines, b is not equal to 0 and a takes any value. So a takes any value. So here a coefficient is x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay. Now, say in the first equation, ax with respect to x differentiation. That means x differentiation 1 and a is a multiple constant. Therefore, a into 1. Okay. A into 1 plus b is a multiple constant. Now, differential of y with respect to x is yes dy by dx. So b into dy by dx plus constant differentiation plus 0. No need to write. So which is equal to 0. That's all. Again listen. A is a multiple constant. X differentiation 1 because we are differentiating with respect to x. So x differentiation 1 plus b into differential of y with respect to x is dy by dx, which is equal to 0, where constant differentiation 0. Constant differentiation 0, so plus 0, no need to write. That's all. Now very simple. This plus a goes to right, becomes minus a. Okay. Plus a goes to right, becomes minus a. So your answer is b into dy by dx equal to minus a. Okay. b into dy by dx, which is equal to minus a. Now next step. Yes. This b goes to right, becomes dy. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus a by b. dy by dx equal to minus a by b. Okay. See, form the differential equation means the in differential equation we want to eliminate the constants. We should eliminate the constant. Okay. Form the differential equation means we want to eliminate the constant. Okay. Now listen, here there are two constants. Therefore, we want to differentiate twice. Okay, we want to differentiate twice. Here in this question, A and B are arbitrary constants and C is the fixed constant. So therefore, here A and B are two arbitrary constants. So I want to differentiate twice. One time differentiation completed, and in differential equation, no need a constant. So that is why there are two differential equations, differentiate twice. There are two arbitrary constants, differentiate twice. There are three arbitrary constants, differentiate thrice. There is one arbitrary constant, differentiate one time. So that is the technique. Now differentiate again with respect to x. Differentiate again with respect to x. Okay, differentiate again with respect to x. We get, okay, here dy by dx. One more time differentiation is, yes, d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square, which is equal to minus a by b is a, yes, constant. So constant differentiation 0. So which is the required answer? Which is the answer for first subdivision is completed. Okay, now come to second topic. The second topic is all non-horizontal lines in a plane. All non-horizontal lines. All non-horizontal lines in a plane. Okay, which is the topic? All non-horizontal lines in a plane. Okay, non-horizontal lines. Okay, for your convenience, I will draw a small diagram. Listen, x-axis, y-axis. So which is horizontal line? Okay, which is horizontal line? Origin. Now can you tell me what is a general form of horizontal line? Yes, y equal to k. Okay, see, general form of vertical line is x equal to k. General form of horizontal line is y equal to k. Okay, so any line parallel to x-axis is of the form y equal to k. Okay, now take your equation of the straight line general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, here when a equal to 0, okay, when a equal to 0, by plus c equal to 0, that is y equal to minus c by b, that is y equal to k. When a equal to 0, y equal to k, which is horizontal line. But we need a non-horizontal line. So that is why a is not equal to 0. Okay? Listen, when a equal to 0, we get horizontal line. When a equal to 0, we get horizontal line. Okay? When a equal to 0, we get horizontal line. But we need non-horizontal line. But we need non-horizontal line. But we need a non-horizontal line. Okay. For condition for non-horizontal line, a is not equal to 0. Okay. So therefore, a is not equal to 0 such that b takes any value in R. That means b belongs to R. That's all. Here, b belongs to R. Therefore, here y coefficient is b. Therefore, differentiate with respect to y. In the equation 1, differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y. Okay, differentiate with respect to y means a is the multiple constant and differential of x with respect to y. Can you tell me yourself? Yes. Differential of x with respect to y is dx by dy. Dx by dy. Okay, dx by dy. Plus b into differential of y with respect to y. That means differential of y with respect to y means dy by dy is equal to 1. That's all. So differential of y with respect to y is 1 because dy by dy is equal to 1. And plus constant c, so 0. Differentiation constant and differentiation 0, which is equal to 0. Now simplification yourself. Yes, here plus b goes to right minus b, and then this multiple a goes to right becomes divided. Right straight away? Yes, your answer is dx by dy is equal to minus b by a. Okay, now where a and b are two arbitrary constants and C is the fixed constant. So there are two arbitrary constants. I want to differentiate it twice. Now differentiate again with respect to y. Okay. Differentiate again with respect to y. Differentiate again. Differentiate again with respect to y. We get here one more time differentiation is given by d square x by dy square, which is equal to minus b by a is a constant. So constant differentiation 0. Constant differentiation 0. Remember, the first topic answer is d square y by dx square equal to 0. But the second topic answer, d square x by dy square equal to 0. So these two answers are different answers, not same and one. Okay.